Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Philips One Blade Trimmer / Shaver. In this video, I'll be showing you and telling you how to change the blades of this unit easily. Once again, this will be a tutorial and I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions for doing just that. Let's get right into the video. But before we start, I'm just going to take a sip of coffee. Just because my mouth is really dry. As you can see, my tongue, it was white before I started filming this video. Now it's brown because of the coffee. But my water is unavailable to me. It's down to the side there, and I want to continue the video. So we just had coffee. Now we're pumped up. Let's go, baby. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to calm down. As you can see right here, there is a little release button over here, and this is the blade. Now, when you're removing the blade, you want to be mindful of the fact that it can be quite sharp in various directions. So you want to essentially grab it from the sides over here. So you want to press up on this button over here and grab it from the sides. I'm going to do it with my thumb. It's a little bit easier. Grab it from the sides, press up on the button, and as you can see, we've removed the old blade. Okay, I'm going to place this to the side, and then you want to get your new blade. I actually have 3 over here. It came with 3 different blades, the unit that I got. So I'm going to grab a different one. I think this is a new one as far as I remember. It doesn't really matter because that one I used a few times only. But I think this is a new one. And you want to line it up properly. So obviously the blade, it's going to go in a single direction. Obviously, as you can see right here, it's directional, right? So you want to take in, obviously, the blade, the angle of the blade has to make sense. So, excuse me. If I try and put it in this way, it won't work. It's not going to go in. It almost goes in, but it's not going to go in. You want to make sure that it's in the right direction. Grab it from the sides, once again, like this. Line it up with those little markings over there. And essentially you want to press it in, as you can see right here, until it can't go in any further. It's not really going to fully click, but it's not going to go in any further. So once again, I'm going to release it. Just like that. That's how you take it out. And then press it in like this. As you can see over here, press it in like this. And when it goes in, you're good to go. If you want to make sure it's fully in, just take your fingers like this and apply a little bit of pressure inwards towards the one blade trimmer. Just apply a little bit of pressure for a few seconds, release, and you're good to go. Now you know that it is fully in there. And that's basically it. That is my video tutorial on the Philips One Blade, how to change the blades easily, step-by-step instructions. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.